So now in the last video we looked at this integrated circuit here. It's the 7404 and it has 6 NOT gates or hex inverter. And right now the input is high. That's why we got the green line up high. The green line went lower and the output went high right there. But you can see about halfway we got this problem where we got the scrambled, it's even scrambling the input for whatever reason. So I finally got the part that I ordered, which is the same basic component, except for it solves that problem. And now I had pulled out the 74HC04 and inserted the 74HC14. It has the same pin layout, so we can do that. But now you're going to see that when I lower the input voltage, we got to go down to about 2 volts. Then all of a sudden you'll see that the output jumped high, jumped right from 0 to high. Now I inch my way back up to about 3 volts in that range there. The output drops low. So right between about 2 and 3 volts, that's our hysteresis range. So when you got a Schmitt trigger, you have a middle ground voltage where the output stays either high or low, whatever it was last put into, until you overcome one of the trigger points there, the high or low. And now we'll look at the diagram, which I actually made a long time ago for a video I did for the 74HC14. I just copied a lot of this and pasted it for the new diagram I made for the 74HC04, which I think I only used once in another video. But in any case, there you can see the wiring top left pin there. That is the input, and then we got the output right below that for the number 1 NOT gate. So the other NOT gates, we have the inputs to a power supply rail, because otherwise things go erratic within the integrated circuit. You really want a fixed voltage at those points. So, and of course you have to power it. So the top right pin was the positive supply, bottom left was the negative supply. So the same wiring we had with the 74HC04, and basically the same circuits, except for now we have that added hysteresis. So another thing is we can power this recommended from 2 to 6 volts. The outputs, we got a maximum of 25 milliamps of current being sunk or sourced either direction, but you need to limit the total current to the integrated circuit to 50 milliamps right there. But we got that same basic truth table. When the input's high enough, the output's low, and then when the input's low enough, the output's high. But we got that middle ground region where the output stays in whatever state it was last put into. And so that's the only difference really as far as using the integrated circuit is concerned. You do have that middle ground voltage where things don't go crazy at the output. So there's really no reason to use the 7404 that doesn't have hysteresis if you have the 7414.